Secret love. Women hesitate to reveal secret love for colleague. Dear Abby, I am a single woman in my early 30s who has never been married. I recently fell in love with a wonderful man with whom I spent a great deal of time. He is unaware of the intensity of my feelings and am afraid of telling him out of fear of rejection. There are a couple of additional concerns. He is 50 years my senior and a medical doctor. I am a social worker in a lower economics class. In addition, we are of different religions, but we have similar spiritual belief and review. He is also my co-worker. I am very interested in pursuing a deeper relationship with this man, but would like to hear your advice first. Thank you for your thoughts on this. Longing for more in Chicago.